Alright, y'all, what up? Back with another one here. Headed down to Irvin right now to go talk to Real again about some more shit. Got a homie of mine behind me, one of my car club members. He's back there. He's in his Challenger, if y'all see him back there. But we headed down here to Irvin to talk about getting some more shit done. Not just to mine, but to his. Not sure what all he's gonna get done yet. He hasn't said. But you know, we're gonna keep moving up. We're gonna keep changing the game, and we're gonna grow this. So when I get down here, I will hit y'all back. You know, I'm gonna keep it nice and light and smooth. Save a little fuel. Keep it out of sport mode, and just roll down this highway. I got him following me. He actually just got a new transmission and clutch this week in his Challenger, and he's got the 392. And it's a 6-speed manual, so he's gotta break it in. He can't be getting into it anyway and acting a fool. So you know, we gotta keep it light and keep it moving. So no raw footage for y'all for this one. But when I get down here, we get out the car and we get to talking to Real, I will get back at y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all, we're pulling up on him with my boy. You see Real's car sitting over there. We up here in the audio zone. I've seen this thing up here before. Yeah, I've seen this thing sitting up here before. I'll back my shit up into the shade. I thought you was gonna park behind me. Yeah, oh hell yeah. Right, I'm gonna back up a little bit. Alright, y'all, so we leaving out here at Audio Zone. My boy, like I said, Josh just got his old light package purchased and on order to be done this week, so he'll be flossing out with me next week. And shit, we'll go from there, man. We're gonna move up this whole club. We're gonna get everybody going, you know. I got some more stuff coming. Hopefully my interior lighting and everything will be done next week on top of that. So you know, get some more of this footage and shit. We're going to a car meet tonight. We're gonna meet up ourselves as a club. Then we're going to an actual car meet for another club, and I'll get some content on that, y'all. So stay tuned. Catch you in a minute. All right, we over here at Pinstack. We got most of our guys here. We're still missing about 4 or 5, but we got about 8. I think about 8 people, and my VP's finally showing up, as y'all see here. He decides to pull in. But we sitting here showing out, got our engines on, as y'all can see. We're gonna get a little quick photo shoot real quick of everybody that did show up here today. And then we're gonna go to this car meet. It's a rooftop parking garage car meet. So we're gonna go over here and check that out. Hey, watch out, he'll run you over, he can't drive. We got a variety, we got a Mustang, we got Nissans, we got Hondas. We still got two other Chargers that aren't here tonight, or they're gonna be here, but they're gonna meet us over to meet. And get everything going. We'll get this photo shoot out of the way real quick so we can get over here to the meet and get y'all some of that footage. Make sure you get it smoothed out and on there. Push out all the little wrinkles. There you go. And then once it's completely on, then start. You pill up from this side and pill up at an angle, and it'll pill up there nicer for you.
You get yours? Yeah. I'm just trying to make sure everybody got theirs.
Everybody here's got theirs, and I think he ain't got his.
Yeah, I wanted him to have a fucking white one.
Yeah, that's why I called you, because I wasn't sure who you especially since old boy gave us too many blue ones.
I don't know why the fuck.
But I told them we're gonna go back probably this week and get some more, so everybody wants more than one or whatever. Alright, y'all, so we made it out here to this car meet, and there is tons of motherfuckers everywhere. It just started. I mean, there's fucking already 100 cars here. Hey, bro, look. Found your new work truck.
Oh, yeah?
It's a Toyota, and it's your color.
I have a bunch of them. Street Kings, CEO, Vice President. You know what I'm saying?
We'll have you start walking around, get some footage. All you want to do is walk around like this and just look at the cars, like you go down the line. Don't get too close. Look, when you get close to the car, look, you can't see nothing. So make sure you see a whole car. Just walk down the line, just watch the cars, okay? Don't make sure.
He's still waiting on like 2 more dudes, bro. Oh yeah, we got 2 more dudes coming.
Check this Bentley. The bitch is lowered. It's sick. Bad bitch. But look, Don, look. You see how I'm doing the footage? I'm staying out a little bit like this and I'm at an angle. You don't want to like get straight on.
Please look up.
Huh? That bitch is clean though. Look at that.
Please look up. Oh, that's kind of cool.
What, has you got the roof done?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get those in mine too. Yep. That's what I was trying to show you today. Look at the lights, bro. Look up in here. That's what I was telling you today. I'm gonna get those. Oh shit. Yeah, that's a star roof, bro. That bitch is sick. Yo. Yeah, that's badass.
That's nice. The same thing. Real subtle. All these little stars.
Yeah.
And then he did the glow mount on here on mine.
Oh, they got all kinds of shit. Oh, damn. Look at Audi R8. That bitch is clean too. Girl driving? No. Oh, no shit. And they said this is a monthly deal, so you know, like once a month you come out here and show out and have a good time.
First Saturday of every month.
Yeah. What happened to you? If I had the money, I'd have one of these just to have it in my garage and play with it because I love Audi, bro. I really do.
I'm a Nissan guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the Audis for real.
I mean, certain give it away that I like these.
Oh yeah, that bitch is nice. Yeah, like I was telling them, they said this meets once a month and shit. You know what I'm saying? I bet you we. Show up there tonight.
It's not a bad looking 70.
We're gonna see.
Coming up, they were lined up, but people were parking on all levels. You notice
Yeah,
that?
so there's a 70 for you.
He said last year wasn't no space. So I'm glad we got
I
here.
mean, last month.
Well, last month.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah, we got here early. That's why I was trying to get up here. So we could choose. And see, we got here a little earlier. All of our guys could have parked together. Now wait for next time. Oh, hey. So you see, okay, when we went over that last speed bump and came to a stop sign, the directions make you go right, but we actually took a left and came up in the parking garage. That's why I said call him and let him know that. And then tell him come up as far as you can and park up as many levels again to walk up. Oh yeah, the truck. And then you said to do with the blue Charger. You need to call him. Let him know how to get here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna learn everybody's
I don't
name.
know how to get here. So you got him.
That R8 is sick. Bitch is bad, bro. Hey, you see my light go from here right till it gets dark. Wait till it gets dark. I wish I could have parked like on the end, you know, just to be a
Just so
focal point.
motherfuckers can be like,
Yeah.
it's your birthday?
Yeah. Hey, yeah, that was sick if I could park behind the Bentley, bro.
But it's so clean, man. I'm glad we called him today, bro.
Hell yeah. What y'all this raw footage, yo. It's coming, it's coming.
Standing too. You see him drop back.
He's hitting the airbags, y'all hear that? Mustang lower like a bitch. Dropped it on him. It's a clean look, bro. But that, you know, that's $5,000 off top right there just to have your shit drop like that. It ain't cheap. Well, imagine the line now. We barely got here. Well, we barely missed the line.
I know, right? Because when we came up,
And now all these people are gonna have to, and all these people are gonna have to park downstairs now. They ain't gonna be able to show out up here. There's gonna be levels and levels of footage if you want to get footage of all that. All the way up.
Yes, sir. That's
like
why I was laughing.
It's like I put on my thing, bro.
All the way up. Yeah.
Look, he dropping the top on him. One piece top. A 3-piece. I said 1-piece, 3-piece top. They still, yeah, they're gonna be. This thing, these people can't even park up here no more. It's full. I don't even know where they're going, but they'll be doing the donut and going right back downstairs. That motor's clean though. Sounds good.
We'll like look where the cars coming in from.
Man, y'all, there's all kinds of every car you can imagine is here and customized and.
That's why they should stay with
Man,
Like the first one.
240 SX.
like I said, even that Bentley is just clean. That bitch is hard.
So there's that 240.
It's right next door to.
You see a police officer inside
Every
there.
day, huh? Right, we see him every day at work. Yeah? We see those every day at work, bro.
Yeah, and they're all right-hand drive, proper.
What's funny though, I was telling him, all y'all came to here from Toyota, but none of y'all drive Toyota. You even said that, or nobody drives Toyota.
No one drives Toyotas here.
Yeah.
And you explained to him,
Where'd you give him directions?
he's right next to us, but he doesn't know how to get to here.
Where are you at exactly? I mean, yeah, some things, you know, probably be better edited out, but at the same time, I like to keep it just 100 and just leave the shit all up, you know, for everybody to see. Another thing. Actually, I think I seen that car earlier today.
Similar to yours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I seen him earlier today.
Down after y'all.
I don't see no stickers on the car. He needs to park it. Right, he also wants to.
Here you go.
Yeah, that's probably that orange car that was supposed to be in our club.
No, it's another one. It's
Oh, my buddy's a big Miata guy.
So is my brother.
But then again, he's like this tall, so
I
he
just
can
had one
drive.
of those. I just sold one of those, but mine was a root beer color. I sold it and bought my wife that Kia, her white Kia. I sold it and bought her that. That Lexus was nice. It was fast, but it was just, I don't know, it wasn't our thing. You know what I mean?
Imagine when we get our.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have lights all over my hood too. Fuck yeah.
If I'm lucky, it should dyno at about 700 wheels.
It's quiet over here, isn't it? We didn't park in the back row.
There you go.
Hey, that's what we need to get. That's what we need to get Daryl. He needs that, you know, that van. We're gonna go with the minivan. Well, I just mean so that way you can start bringing all your clothes so you're not late.
I know, right? For real, bro. Like, damn.
But it's way.
Yeah. Louder than all of ours.
Damn it. But hope we didn't run out of gas or something.
Hey, you need some help, bro? Shit. I'll get my shoes dirty for you. You good, bro?
Good.
Oh.
I just didn't want to turn on to move it 2 feet.
I figured maybe ran out of gas.
I can put that as a thumbnail.
Right. Broke down the meat. And that Bentley is clean though.
Oh, yeah, that's why I had to bring you over here, bro.
I was like, oh, that bitch is clean. I don't know how much money he's got in that thing, bro.
Shit. My car is on like 200,000 by itself.
Let me tell you though, he's got an 1.5-inch dick. You know how I know? Not just because you got that car. You see how built up and muscular it is? He's in the gym all the time to make up for, you know. I mean, my 2 inches ain't much better, but you know.
But you ain't like that.
Right.
Obviously, it's gonna be a no. I can't relate.
Yeah, I
I already got
Yeah, that Audi's clean. I got it like 3 times.
You feel like me tomorrow.
Like, I really like the new Camaros too, but they're tiny on the inside, bro. Oh, they must be. They got.
Z08, bro.
Remember that app I told you to download?
Yeah.
It's on his car.
Park up front. Yeah. I already downloaded it.
Yeah. I seen you on there. Yeah.
I was seeing a lot of people.
I told you, didn't I? I told you that's another little popular app, bro. If y'all ain't on that yet, you need to get on that up front park up front app. We're on it now too. It's kind of like another Instagram, but it's all about car meets and shit. That's how we're starting to find a lot of this stuff. See, I was one time about putting lights in my motor and shit.
I'm scared to do that because he pulls up to the fire.
Well, but see, what I'm doing is mine are gonna go up under the front, you know, that lip, not down on the motor. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, now this car does run. Yeah. What do you got going next Saturday? Because I might run back down there and you can talk to Will about, you know, what he would charge to do like the front stuff and then the whole car or whatever.
My cousin got. I don't know why he didn't pull up last time.
There you go. Even got the supercars up there tonight. That's daddy. Got me a thumbnail. You see that? I was like, Hey, I feel like we're in the Tokyo Drift.
I know, right?
Hey, y'all, we just entered Tokyo Drift. Yeah, I wonder where all the little hot Japanese girls are, right? I don't know what they be saying, but they be cute standing around. You trying to take a picture?
Oh, Dad, look.
Hey, look.
Dad,
Back in the period.
Dad, it looks like they got their ceiling done too.
Hey, bro, you need to join the car club? Hey, look, the hamsters are here, yo. Where we gotta find them?
That's not him.
Hey, you liking the car, huh? Checking it out.
Man, yes sir. Yes sir. I like that.
Hey, look a little different now, don't it?
Man, I was just telling you.
I know. I saw. I said,
Hey,
shit.
hold on, let
I
me
told
bring
you I
you
was gonna
back.
get it done quick.
Hey, when you sent me the video, I was like, God, it go hard.
Yeah, and then we can change all kinds of colors, bro. But you know,
Hey, we thought y'all was gonna miss it.
I don't know what it is about that red, that fucking rainbow and that red is cold, bro.
The rim's cold.
Yeah. Yeah, I got him. Yeah, I got him wrapped to match the car along with the windshield. The windshield I had done the last time y'all seen me. But then right at like that week after I seen y'all hanging out there, I went dropped it off, had the wheels, the lights, all that shit.
That was clean. Yeah, I seen it on the rail video.
Yeah, that took it down there and had Jay Cruz do it.
Hey, come on, Mozzie. Where Mozzie go?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Real just dropped the video today or
Hey, let's do the
yesterday.
feet,
We
bro.
did in it, and then Jay Cruz has one on it too.
Where Mozzie?
That's what I said. Where Mozzie?
He hiding.
Feet, bro.
Mozzie hiding.
Mozzie
I'm gonna get runned over.
That boy in the church shoes. That boy in the church shoes.
Oh dang, where you going?
Yeah.
You just come. He planning on staying up late, so he gonna wake up and be dressed for church tomorrow. He gonna roll out the bed like, let's go.
That's one idea. One less thing you gotta worry about. Hey, we'll do right on parking.
Yes, sir.
Man, we like two spots down.
No shit.
Yeah, we right here.
We didn't know all this.
Yeah, we got here when they first started, so we were able to get on top.
We didn't know all this looked.
Yep. Oh, so y'all was like hanging out downstairs for a while.
Yeah, we've been down there.
Yeah, he said the dude. We was talking to the dude that helps host this, and he said they do this every month on the first Saturday of the month.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was like, damn, that's good to know. And this obviously it's a big deal. Everybody shows the hell up out here. They be selling speakers and all kinds of shit. Yeah, they just had a Lambo pull up over there.
I got
What, that Audi R8, you see that? That red one? That bitch is cold.
It's up here?
And he just left. How about that lower Bentley?
Nah, I ain't seen. I ain't.
Oh, bro. That Bentley hard, bro.
Just got up here.
Yeah, we've been here since fucking 6. Nah, bro. 7 to 10. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I almost got me a Daytona. I like it. I almost got me a yellow and black one. The yellow, I don't know what it is. That yellow on them Daytonas is
Where you
clean, bro.
finna get it from?
A Hopper up in McKinney, they have one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's actually where I bought mine, was Hopper up in McKinney. But yeah, there's a Lambo sitting right there. See it? The flat gray with the orange? Yeah, but yeah, he already found the Bentley. That Bentley's sick.
Oh yeah, that's the same one that was at the car show
Yes,
in
sir.
Grand Prairie.
That's clean.
Yeah, but I ain't get to get no good look.
Big car show this year?
Uh,
Y'all gonna announce that
Oh, yeah.
car show this year?
That mug hard, ain't it?
Bentley.
I'm gonna get this for Snapchat though. I'm gonna get this for Snapchat. Oh yeah. Hold up. Alright, look at you. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Hey look, we got Mozzie right here. We got Hemi Life right here.
You never run into Mozzie, him and like
This nigga like, hey, he like, I'm gonna start charging your ass. Oh no, brother. Oh no, brother. You good, man.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, I got
no
a shitload of footage.
This thing is like that.
Well, y'all, this is a wrap. We about to get out of here and call it a night. But, you know, so, you know, hope y'all we got enough content footage for y'all. But we about to be out here.